the whole idea of, conventional medicine versus holistic or integrative or functional medicine, and the difference in opinion there, in that in my conventional training, I was taught really well to diagnose and treat. You could come to me and I could do my tests and I do my CAT scans, my MRIs, I could figure out what's going on. And then I could give you a surgical or medication option to treat said disease. With functional medicine, it's more about looking at the whole picture, looking at the whole body, to figure out what could be out of balance, and then trying to find the right recipe for that given person, given their circumstances, their environment, where they grew up, their genetics. A lot of information goes into creating a treatment plan for a given patient in this field. And it really is about finding balance, in order to and removing things out of the way for the body to be able to heal, right? I don't heal people anymore. I help people find the tools to heal themselves. And that's really what we're doing here, is we're going to help find the recipe for your body to be able to heal itself, because it has everything it needs. It's just that there's a lot of things that get in the way in this day and age. And our job is to figure that out